Learn containers names with examples. Please subscribe and like.
Plastic container. I packed my leftovers in a plastic container to keep them fresh. Aluminum foil container. The restaurant packed my takeout in an aluminum foil container to keep it warm. Styrofoam container. The coffee came in a styrofoam container to keep it hot on my way to work. Glass jar. I stored the homemade jam in a glass jar to preserve its flavor. Mason jar. I used a mason jar to can some pickles for later. Metal tin. The cookies were in a metal tin to keep them from getting stale. Wooden crate. We bought a wooden crate of apples from the farmer's market. Ceramic pot. The ceramic pot is perfect for storing spices in the kitchen. Paper bag. She packed my groceries in a paper bag. Wicker basket. We packed a wicker basket with sandwiches for the picnic. Ziploc bag. I put some nuts in a Ziploc bag to snack on later. Cardboard box. The new books arrived in a large cardboard box. Plastic bag. He brought home fresh produce in a plastic bag. Lunch box. I packed her sandwich and fruit in her lunchbox. Cooler. We brought a cooler to keep our drinks cold at the beach. Metal canister. The coffee beans are in a metal canister to keep them fresh. Fabric pouch. She carried her jewelry in a small fabric pouch. Shoe box. I keep my old photographs in a shoe box. Milk jug. We need to buy a new milk jug for the fridge. Water bottle. Don't forget your water bottle before you head out for a run. Tupperware. I packed the leftover pasta in Tupperware. Thermos. She filled her thermos with hot tea for the road. Cookie jar. The cookie jar is always full of treats for the kids. Wine bottle. We opened a bottle of wine to celebrate. Glass decanter. They poured the red wine into a glass decanter before serving. Trash can. Please throw that away in the trash can. Paint can. We bought a paint can to touch up the walls. Pill bottle. Remember to take one pill from the bottle every morning. Ice cream tub. She took out an ice cream tub from the freezer for dessert. Gas canister. We need to refill the gas canister for the barbecue grill. Compost bin. We put food scraps in the compost bin to reduce waste. Egg carton. The egg carton is empty. We need to buy more eggs. Toolbox. He keeps all his screwdrivers and wrenches in the toolbox. Jewelry box. Her jewelry box has a special spot for her rings. Storage bin. I packed away my winter clothes in a storage bin. Laundry basket. The laundry basket is overflowing with clothes. Recycling bin. Please put the paper in the recycling bin. Pencil case. She keeps her pens and pencils organized in a pencil case. Soap dispenser. The soap dispenser in the bathroom needs to be refilled. Salt shaker. She passed the salt shaker across the table. Thermal bag. We used a thermal bag to keep the groceries cold on the way home. Oil can. The mechanic used an oil can to lubricate the engine parts. Snack pack. She took a small snack pack for the road trip. Ammo box. The ammo box keeps the round secure and dry. Seed packet. The seeds were stored in a small paper seed packet. Safety deposit box. They kept their important documents in a safety deposit box.
Pill box. He organized his medication for the week in a pill box. Ice tube tray. I filled the ice cube tray with water and put it in the freezer. Spice rack. The spice rack keeps all my spices organized and easy to reach. Pen holder. All the pens on his desk are organized in a pen holder. Oil can. The mechanic used an oil can to lubricate the engine parts. Snack pack. She took a small snack pack for the road trip. Lunch bag. I pack my salad in a lunch bag to take to work. Canteen. The hiker filled his canteen with fresh water before setting out. Clamshell container. The strawberries came in a plastic clamshell container. Bread box. A bread box keeps bread fresh and soft for longer. Suitcase. She packed her clothes in a suitcase for the vacation. Storage chest. He stored his winter blankets in a large storage chest. Wine cellar rack. The wine bottles are neatly arranged on a wine cellar rack. Keg. They ordered a keg of beer for the party. Growler. The brewery filled a growler for him to take home. Reusable shopping bag. I brought my reusable shopping bag to carry groceries. Pallet. The factory loaded the boxes onto a wooden pallet for shipping. Plant pot. She placed the cactus in a small plant pot on the windowsill. Bento box. She packed her lunch in a Japanese-style bento box. Diaper bag. The diaper bag has everything she needs for the baby. First aid kit. They keep a first aid kit in the car for emergencies. Pump bottle. I use a pump bottle for my liquid soap. Tote bin. Seasonal decorations are packed in large tote bins. Cigar box. He keeps his cigar collection in a decorative cigar box. Incense holder. She placed incense sticks in the incense holder on the shelf. Cookie tin. The holiday cookies were kept in a decorative cookie tin. Manicure kit case. She stores her nail tools in a small manicure kit case. Camera case. His camera and lenses are stored in a protective camera case. Vacuum-sealed bag. I used a vacuum-sealed bag to store the winter clothes. Duffel bag. He packed his workout clothes in a duffel bag for the gym. Crayon box. The kids keep all their crayons organized in a crayon box. Tea caddy. The tea leaves are stored in a metal tea caddy to keep them fresh. Powder jar. Her face powder comes in a small, portable powder jar. Matchbox. I keep extra matches in a small matchbox for emergencies. Jewelry pouch. She places her rings and necklaces in a jewelry pouch while traveling. Honey jar. The honey is stored in a glass honey jar with a wooden dipper. Paint tube. He squeezed paint out of the tube for his art project. Saddlebag. The biker stored his tools in a leather saddlebag. Envelope. The letter arrived in a brown envelope. Lotion tube. She used a small lotion tube to moisturize her hands. Salt cellar. They kept the salt in a small ceramic salt cellar on the table. Coin purse. She carried her spare change in a small coin purse. Commuter mug. His morning coffee was poured into a commuter mug. Document folder. He organized his paperwork in a document folder. Snack bowl. We serve the popcorn in a big snack bowl for the movie. Tool belt. The carpenter wore a tool belt to hold his hammer and nails. Makeup bag. She keeps her lipstick and mascara in a compact makeup bag. Travel soap case. He brought a travel soap case on his camping trip.